Namaste, Vanakkam, Swagatam. Welcome back to another coming together in spirit, in one place at one time for one purpose. That concept of Ekam, oneness manifesting through the satsanga of everyone coming together with the Sankalpa for the healing of our beloved Ammaji, healing, health, wellness, prosperity for every being on this planet and at other levels of existence. I'm going to be giving over to Divya in a few moments, and Divya and Tejasvi will lead us in the presentation of the Mahishasura Mardani Stotram, a very powerful chant by Bhagavad Pada Adi Shankara himself, and invoking the Divine Mother Shakti. Friday is a day for the Divine Mother, invoking that Shakti to manifest through Ammaji. Let us begin today by invoking the Guru Parampara at this moment. Om Tad Paramparaye Vidmahe Jnanalingeshwaraya Dhimahi Tanno Guru Prachodayate Om. Om Yoga Maharshi Dr. Swami Geetananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. So I will hand over the stage to Divya and Tejasvi to take us through this wonderful chant tonight.
Namaste, Vanakkam, Swagatam, and welcoming you all. And today is a Friday and it's auspicious for Devi. So we are going to chant the Mahishasura Mardini, which is the actual term used for the slokam, but we also call it as Aigiri Nandini. And we had our dear Sangeeta singing it during the Navaratri Kala Yajna. She presented the first 10 verses. So as Tejasvi is here and she's really good at it, so I'm having her company with me and hope we can encourage the power of Shakti into all of us and into our houses and to all the people that we love and with the people that we live with. So thank you, and thank you for coming. I'll be sharing the lyrics as we did for the last two sessions. So, okay, hope you all can see a screen in front of you. So, we are having the Mahishasura Mardini Stotram today, the Aigiri Nandini. So, first we'll be invoking the power of Shakti through the Gayatri mantras that we use in our tradition, the Rishi culture, Ashtanga Yoga or Geetananda Yoga. So, join us. We'll be invoking all the three Shaktis, Durga, Lakshmi and Saraswati, or else Kriya Shakti, Jnana Shakti and Icha Shakti. Om Katyayanaaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durga Prachodayate Om Varalakshmi Cha Vidmahe Vishnu Cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayate Om Vinaganaya Vidmahe Vrinchapatni Cha Dhimahi Tanno Saraswati प्रचोदयाते. So going into what we are going to chant today in our synchronized global prayer, what is the Mahishasura Mardini Stotram? Mahishasura Mardini Stotram is a song in order to calm down the Shakti after she took the form of Durga or Kriya Shakti to kill the demon Mahishasura. And we saw it in our Navaratri Kala Yajna through the stories and through the broadcast of the drama, and many of you would have got something out of it. Composed by the great sage Adi Shankara in about 810 AD approximately, it extols the different powers, the Shakti of the Devi. Only Durga Devi could destroy this demon with the collective energies of the Holy Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara or Shiva, representing creation, maintenance, and renewal. The word Mahisha means buffalo, which is a symbol of laziness, lethargy, small-mindedness, tamasika guna, and inertia. These are the qualities which impede the spiritual material progress of an individual and must be conquered. Durga Devi is a storehouse of positive energy, and any trace of laziness or inertia dissolves in her very presence. So just to see a few benefits, we are not chanting it only for the benefits, but it's good to like kind of have an idea of what it gives in us. So Mahishasura Mardini Stotram is said to bring peace to the devotee and removes all fear and sadness. It drives away negative emotions like doubt, anger, grudge, rage, ego, and inertia. This stotram also removes obstacles from the path of the believer. To gain any battle or conquer any negativity in our hearts and minds and purify our mind, body, and soul. Overwhelm all sorrows in life. So we'll be going into the stotram, and I'm going to welcome our dear Tejasvi with me, and we'll be chanting it. So we have a little bit of background addition to this.
Namaste everyone, pleasure being here. I'm so happy to be part of this healing stotram this evening. Okay, shall we start? Okay.
गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दित मेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वन प्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधु कैटभ बंधिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपु गज गन्ध विधारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दण्ड निपातित खण्ड विपातित मुण्ड घटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐरण दुर्मत शत्रुवदोदित दुर्धर निर्जन शक्तिवृते चतुर विचार दुरीन महाशिव दूत कृत प्रमदाधिपते दुरित दुरीत दुराशय दुर्मति दानव दूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ शरणागत वैरिवधूवर वीरवराभयदायक रे त्रिभुवन मस्तक शूल विरोधि शिरोधि कृतामल शूल करे धूमि धूमि तामर दुंड विनाद महो मुखरी कृतति मकरे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ निज कृत मात्र निराकृत धूम्र विलोचन धूम्रशते समर विशोषित शोणित बीज समुद्भव शोणित बीजलते शिव शिव शुंभ निशुंभ महाहग कल्पित भूत पिशाचरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते धनुरनुशंगर लक्षण संग परिस्फुर गंगन टटके कनक विशंग पृषक निशंगर सद्भट शृंग हतावटुके कृत चतुरंग बलक्षिति रंग घटत बहुरंग रटत बटुके जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जप्य जय जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्पर विश्वनुते गण बण विंजिमि विंकृत नूपुर शिंजित मोहित भूतपते नडित नटाटन दीन दनायक नाडित नाट्य सुधानरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ सुमनः 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 सुमनोहर कान्तियुते श्रुतरजनी रजनी 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 करवक्रवृते सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सहित महावमल्लमतल्लिकमल्लितरल्लकमल्लरते विरिचत वल्लिक पल्लिक मल्लिक भिल्लिक भिल्लिक वर्गवृते सितकृत पुल्लसमुल्लसितारुण तल्लज पल्लव सल्ललिते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अविरलगण्डगलं मदमेधुरमत्तमतङ्गजराजपते त्रिभुवनभूषण भूतकलानिधि रूपपयोनिधि राजसुते ऐ सुदती जनलालसमानसमोहन मन्मद राजसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलदलामलकोमलकान्तिकलाकलितामलबाललते सकलविलासकलानिलय क्रमकेलिचलत्कलहंसकुले अलिकुलसङ्कुलकुवलय मण्डलमौलिमलद्बकुलालिकुले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते करमुरलीरववीजितपूजितलज्जितकोकिलमञ्जुमते मिलितपुलिन्दमनोहर कुञ्चितरञ्जितशैलनिकुञ्जगते निजगुणभूत महाशबरी गणसद्गुणसंभृतकेलितले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कटितटपीतदुकूलविचित्रमयूखतिरस्कृतचन्द्ररुचे प्रणतसुरासुरमौलिमणि स्फुरदंसुलसन्नकचन्द्ररुचे चितकनकाचलमौलिपदोचितनिर्भरकुञ्जरकुम्भकुचे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जितसहस्रकरैकसहस्रकरैकसहस्रकरैकनुते कृतसुततारक संगर तारक संगर तारक सूनुसुते सुरत समाधि 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 सुजातरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते पदकमलं करुणानिलये वरिवश्य धियोनुदिनं शशिवे अयि कमले कमलानिलये कमलानिलयाः सखास्तववेत् तव पदमेव परं पदमित्यनुशीलयतो मम किं न शिवे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कनकलसत्कल सिन्धुजलैरनुसिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम् भजति किं न सचीकुचकुम्भतटी परिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि नटामरवाणि निवासि शिवम् जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदने दुमलं सकलं ननुकूलयते किं पुरुहूतपुरेन्दुमुखी सुमुखी विरसौ विमुखी क्रियते मम तु मतं शिवनामदने भवती कृपया किमुत्क्रियते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि मयि दीनदयालुदया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथाशिरते यदुचितमात्र भवात्युररीकुरुता दुर्गापमपाकुरुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining with us, and we'll be updating you on the upcoming ones soon. Thank you.
So that was a wonderful invocation, invoking the Divine Mother, the Shakti, the Jagat Janani, to enable our Divine Mother, Ammaji, to heal to the best of her capacity. She is in much better state. The last 2 days she has been sitting up, and with Anand Raj's support, both holding on to each other's back, watching each other's back. And today the doctor was very happy with the review, a telephonic review. And we are contemplating the next procedure in the middle of January, giving her time to recover as much as possible before that. Keep her in your mind, keep her in your heart, keep her in your Atma. And thank you all for being such a supportive community. It means so much to have your support, your prayers for Ammaji. Let us conclude with the Loka Samasta. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha. Nandri.